Artificial Intelligence, AI, model. The report is from Synthetic Data, but the programming is in Python. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Explanation of forecast sales with reduced marketing expenses graph. The graph shows the forecast sales for products A, B, and C from 2024 to 2030, with a 20% reduction in marketing expenses. Data. Years, 2024 to 2030. Products, A, B, and C. Growth rates. 2024, 20%. 2025, 5%. 2026, 10%. 2027, 12%. 2028, 14%. 2029, 28%. 2030, 17%. Actual sales. Product A, 25,000, 2020, 30,000, 2021, 35,000, 2022. Product B, 30,000, 2020, 31,000, 2021, 32,000, 2022. Product C, 35,000, 2020, 36,000, 2021, 37,000, 2022. Key points. Overall trend, all three products show an upward trend in forecast sales, despite the reduction in marketing expenses. Product A experiences the most significant growth, with forecast sales increasing from 22,400 in 2024 to 38,581 in 2030. Product B demonstrates moderate growth, with forecast sales rising from 26,400 in 2024 to 34,321 in 2030. Product C shows the least growth, with forecast sales increasing from 30,400 in 2024 to 37,460 in 2030. Impact of reduced marketing expenses. Compared to the scenario without the marketing expense reduction, all products experience approximately 20% lower forecast sales. Nevertheless, the reduced marketing expenses still result in positive sales growth for all products over the forecast period. Graph image. Image of forecast sales with reduced marketing expenses graph opens in a new window. www.gartner.com. Forecast sales with reduced marketing expenses graph. Additional notes. The graph is for illustrative purposes only and may not reflect actual sales data. The code used to generate the graph is available for reference. Thank you.